Ever wonder why some videos keep you hooked while others lose you in the first 10 seconds? It's not about great visuals, it's about pacing, storytelling, and emotional flow. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit videos that hold attention and make your audience watch all the way to the end. Before we jump in, if you're serious about making better videos and growing your career, hit the like button and subscribe, because every week I share practical techniques to help video creators like you stand out and get paid more. All right, let me get to work. The biggest mistake video editors make, they focus on the footage, but not on the audience. If your video doesn't hook the viewer, build emotional momentum, and pay off with a strong ending, they're gone. It doesn't matter how great your shots are, bad pacing kills engagement. So how do you edit videos that hold attention? Let me give you 3 powerful techniques that will instantly make your edits more engaging. Are you ready? Number 1, start with a question, hook, or tension. Instead of a slow intro, open with something intriguing that makes viewers curious. Cut straight to the action or tease a moment that comes up later in the video. Number 2, cut out the fluff. Make every single second count. Trim anything that doesn't move the story forward. Keep it tight, engaging, and emotional. Your edits should support the story, message, and the style. Number 3, use sound, music, and pacing to control emotion. Slow scenes with deep storytelling need space. High energy moments need rhythm. So match pacing, music, and cuts to the emotional flow of the story. When you edit with emotion and audience psychology in mind, your videos won't just look good, they'll connect, engage, and keep people watching. If you want to go deeper, I put together a free workshop where I break down the exact storytelling and editing techniques that keep viewers engaged. You can click the link below and watch it right now. For a complete framework on how to edit, structure, and style high-impact videos, check out my Start with Story, End with Wow master course. Everything you need to take your video career to the next level is in the course. Need direct help improving your edits? I offer one-on-one coaching where we refine your editing style and storytelling techniques for maximum impact. You can book a free 15-minute introductory call today. Here's your formula for success. Better videos lead to better jobs, which lead to higher rates, more money, and ultimately fulfillment. I can help you get there. Thanks for watching.